Alright.
What's this?
Alright, ready? This is Berkeley, Boston, Auntie Dano, Blaze, and Uncle Troy doing the cinnamon challenge.
Bosco, come here.
I'm not cleaning it up if it goes everywhere.
Yeah, same. I'm not either.
I'll be the cleaner.
Okay, ready? On the count of 3. Everyone has to put it in their mouth and they have to close. They have to get every single bit of the cinnamon, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, Blaze! Go, Blaze!
You swallowed it?
Do you have it in you, Danoy? Go, Auntie Dano! Do you have it in your, Auntie Dana, do you have it in you still? Oh my God, that sounds so bad.